What happens when grad school grant proposals are reviewed? Imagine pouring your time and effort into a grant proposal, only to wonder what happens behind the scenes next. When a graduate student submits a grant proposal, it goes through a detailed review process designed to find the best projects for funding. First, there is an administrative check. This step makes sure your proposal is complete and follows all the rules, like formatting, eligibility, and submission deadlines. If it doesn't meet these requirements, it might be sent back without review, so double-check everything before submitting. Once your proposal clears this initial step, it moves on to a merit review. This is where experts in your field evaluate your work. Usually, at least 3 reviewers look at your proposal carefully. They check if your research idea is important and if it can really advance knowledge in your area. They also look at how your project could benefit society or improve research infrastructure. Reviewers assess your research plan's clarity, feasibility, and innovation. They want to see if your timeline makes sense and if your expected results are realistic. Reviewers also evaluate your qualifications and the environment where your research will happen. If your proposal includes training opportunities for students or plans to share results, they consider those too. After reviewing, each reviewer writes a report with their thoughts and assigns scores or rankings. These evaluations are discussed in a panel meeting, where reviewers talk about the strengths and weaknesses of each proposal. The panel then reaches a consensus, and your proposal gets a final score or priority ranking. This score helps decide if your project will receive funding. For graduate students, understanding this process is key. It means your proposal should be clear, well-organized, and follow all guidelines exactly. Including all required documents like recommendation letters and budget justifications is also important. If you get feedback from reviewers and revise your proposal accordingly, your chances of success can improve. Some institutions review proposals internally before you submit them externally. Working closely with your faculty mentors and administrative staff can help you meet eligibility rules and strengthen your application. Remember, the review process is thorough and fair, aiming to support the best research projects. By aligning your proposal with what reviewers are looking for and responding thoughtfully to feedback, you can increase your chances of securing the funding you need for your graduate education.